Tonight only on CBS 2, we're revealing what happens to evidence collected during a murder investigation.
CBS 2's Lauren Clark spent months trying to talk to every law enforcement agency in our state. Tonight, her findings reveal some of the evidence is being destroyed legally.
So we have procedures that specifically talk about how we're supposed to process certain pieces of evidence.
Signs on the walls at Idaho State Police headquarters in Meridian provide step-by-step instructions on how to store everything from drugs to urine.
Then we can lock this, and as you can see, we can't get back into it.
The evidence room is behind these walls. I'm not allowed to go inside because strict rules make sure evidence stays untampered. Lieutenant Matthew Sly says investigators here help dozens of smaller agencies across the state with murder cases. He says ISP preserves evidence in murders for forever. That's the same for the Payette Police Department 50 miles away.
We also have an evidence room for permanent evidence such as homicides, sexual assaults, those types of things. We retain that information or that evidence permanently.
Lieutenant Gary Marshall says these officers have their own method of preserving evidence in a murder case. Lieutenant Marshall showed me what's called the chain of custody sheet.
They document the agency, the date of the offense, obviously the suspect information.
It shows everyone who's touched evidence. Not every agency is like the Idaho State Police or the Payette Police Department. Because Idaho has no laws on the books when it comes to evidence retention, every agency can create its own policies, from Boise and beyond. CBS 2 reached out to every law enforcement agency in the state. The majority of agencies told us they keep murder evidence for forever. Almost 50 agencies say they only destroy murder evidence if a prosecutor gives them permission. But that's not the case everywhere. 12 agencies who responded to our calls said they can destroy evidence if the person convicted is dead or all appeals are exhausted. All of them said they would seek a prosecutor's permission before making a decision. Other agencies had different policies. For example, the Priest River Police Department in northern Idaho told us they destroy evidence after 75 years. The Pinehurst Police Department near Kellogg says it doesn't destroy evidence until all parties involved in the case have died. Others hold on to the evidence long after a case has been resolved.